Stop running AI assistant on your local computer where your data is at risk. Today I will show you how to set up OpenClaw on a secure VPS so it's stay online 24/7 without accessing your personal and private files. I'm using Hostinger today because they offer a literal on-click install for OpenClaw and it's so simple even a beginner can do it. Go ahead and select the KVM2 plan, choose your payment period and get registered. When you have paid, you will be in the dashboard. This is a crucial part. Don't be a chore to your own security. Click the eye icon to reveal your OpenClaw gateway token. Copy this and hide it in a saved document. Now, grab an API key from your favorite AI model, whether it's a Anthropic Claude, OpenAI, or Gemini. Paste that key into your Hostinger setup and hit deploy. Once the status turns green, says running, click the link to your OpenClaw dashboard. Using that gateway token you saved earlier to log in. If you see connected, you are officially in the driver's seat. Now let's make this system reachable via Telegram. In the OpenClaw chat, type let's set up Telegram. It will tell you to find bot father on Telegram. Don't get confused. Just look for the blue check mark. Then use the new bot command. Give your assistant a name like Peter, and then get your HTTP API token. Paste that token into OpenClaw. It will ask for a pairing code. Go back to your new board chat in Telegram, hit start, and it will give you the code you need. Paste it on the last time into the OpenClaw dashboard. Boom, you are connected. Now you can ask your board, are you connected to OpenClaw? If it replies, then you now have a private AI assistant living on your own server, ready to handle tasks on your phone anytime, anywhere.